Welcome back to Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. I am Dr. K. Vanaja, Associate Professor in Department of Commerce with Computer Applications. In this video lecture series, we are discussing about advertisement, why ethics matter in advertising. And in the past videos, we have discussed advertisement becomes unavoidable in our day-to-day life, and which it about the target audience of the advertisements, and whether the advertisement do justice for the target audience and all. And most vulnerable target group of the advertisements are children and teenage people. As I said in the previous video, they are very easily got impacted with the visual impact of the advertisement, uh, easily get attracted by the way the which carries the visual impact, and they wanted to buy the product immediately. And these advertisements which has more visual impact makes more impulse buyers. So the impulse buyers, or yes, we know the buyers, they do not have any idea of buying any product, but because of the advertisement or the way the product is displayed, easily get attracted, even though they do not have any plan of buying the product, and even though they do not know what is the use of the product, whether the product will be useful for them or which will harmful for them. They do not discuss, they do not care about all these aspects of the product, but they start buying the product. So these buyers are called as impulse buyers, and these sort of advertisements usually create a lot of impulse buyers. And as a consequence, for some impulse buyers, the effect of using the product goes wrong, and which harms their health and life, especially the healthcare products and personal hygiene products and all. So that is why ethics matter in advertising, I wanted to say. And because various reasons, I would like to say the ethics very much matter in advertising. The first and foremost reason what I have to point it out here is advertisement builds trust and loyalty. Yes, people, whenever they used to see the advertisement, they believe it, they create trust on that advertisement, and when they start using the product, automatically they'll become a loyal customer of that product. So the ethical advertising establishes a strong foundation of trust with the customers, which lead to increased loyalty and a positive word of mouth marketing. So they have to care about this loyalty and trust on the consumers. Second point I would like to note down here is which have to enhance brand reputation. Yes, ethical advertising creates a positive brand image and contributing to a strong reputation and long-term success for the product. So they have to be, of course, ethical in conveying the content of the advertising, which should gives a genuine information about the product, the use of the product, and how to use, in what way it would be benefit for the consumers. So such a way it can enhance its brand reputation, and which should avoid legal issues. So ethical advertising ensures compliance with the regulation and also the guidelines, which of course minimizing the risk of legal challenges and penalties. If advertisement gives an what you call unlawful or any wrong information, based on that, if a consumer buys the product, and as a consequence which gives a harmful effect on their health or a hygiene or a life, yes, it is the consumer can sue against the company. So such a way it leads to ethical issues. If at the same time, if the company is going on par with the ethical standards, which can be easily avoided by the company, which will not affect the reputation of the company, and the company also may retain a loyal customer for that product. So that is why the ethics matter in advertising. So not only these standards, but also for various other reasons, company or product should consider all ethical aspects by considering the life of the consumers. They can create advertising, and which can yes easily serve the purpose of their advertisement, so which can increase their profit, can withstand in the market for a longer period of time. So that is how the ethics matter in advertising. So thank you for watching.